Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix error establishing a database connection. So as you can see, when I try to access my channel website, I'm getting this error. So this is a very common WordPress error that you can face. This says that your server is not able to locate the database. So to fix this, you have to log into your cPanel. So let me quickly open a new tab and log into cPanel. We'll go to cPanel login and click on login again, and then from here go to MySQL database. So before you fix the WordPress, you have to make sure that you note down the database name, and if you want, you can click on the repair database and see if that works, and then go back to the cPanel main menu and go to WordPress by Softaculous. This is where you can manage all the WordPress installations. You can see we have an error here, so you can uninstall it if you want, if the website is new. So because my website is new, I will uninstall it. So this will remove the WordPress. Once this is removed, we will reinstall the WordPress all over again. Click on install and then enter the site name and the site description if you want to. Let me quickly give a small description of my channel, and then set up the admin username and the password. Make sure you set up a strong password, and now you can give the admin email if you want to, and make sure to check on limit login and then click on advanced options, and here in the database name just copy paste the name that you have in the database. And if you don't have a database, you can create one. It's very easy. You can create a database and database username and set a password there. And once this is done, make sure you select this setting as default and click on install. So now this will install the WordPress for you on your domain, as well as it will connect the database, and you'll not see that database error anymore. So once this is installed, just click on your website and this will open the website. As you can see, my website is now ready. The WordPress is ready to use, and there's a default theme, and you can also access admin by going to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Let's log in and see if everything is okay. Great. I'm able to access to my WordPress dashboard. So this is how we do it. For more WordPress tutorials, click on this I button over here, and please check out my channel for more videos. You'll find more useful videos like this. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.